that shovel shouldn't be here.
Right.
Safety hazard.
Chuck it. Right, Brooke. Right, you shooting it down. It's 2 centimeters too small.
I got you.
Too long to measure.
Oh, come on, man. Who's at the door? Shut up! I'm coming! Yeah, I'm here.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing this morning?
Good.
Alright, so we're from BBGI.
Big Blue Truck Inspection. We have an appointment at 6:37.
Guys, I never booked an appointment. At
Oh, you
6:37.
don't book the appointments, we do.
We just show up.
Guys,
It'll be quick.
dude, I had a really long last night. I'm just.
No, what's this?
Come in. Okay, I'm just gonna.
It's good.
close this-
Just a second.
Okay.
Light switches look good.
Look good indeed. Did you measure it? 45. Short. Alright. You go in the back room there, I'll go in the back room there, alright?
Sounds good, Holmes.
BBGI.
Okay.
Everything looks good in there, Holmes.
Measurement's good.
Okay, be careful, please. What's the acronym for your company?
BBGI.
And what's that stand for?
Big Blue Truck Inspection.
Funny, I've never heard of it. I'm gonna look you up on Google just to see if you're legit, just because I gotta be safe, right?
Google's not really reliable, man.
You know, Google's good, Holmes.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so I assume you guys are done now, right?
No, upstairs.
What? Oh, oh my God! Stop! Calm down!
I need a hacksaw.
Alright. We've already found a hazard in here. There's a tripping thing here. See that?
You mean the
Just
charger
get rid
for
of it
my
for you.
control? Dude, did you just saw it off?
That's correct. You see, we take inspections real seriously, alright?
Are you kidding me, guys?
We'll leave this kitchen, Holmes.
Okay, stop whatever you're doing. All right, this isn't
Alright,
how
no.
it's. Stop! What is this hammer for?
Stop!
Oh my God, Holmes.
I need to do my inspection.
Hey, Holmes.
Just a second.
What's
the problem?
the issue?
There's
Dude,
knives over
that's
there.
my
Knives?
Man,
Oh
that's
my
my
good
carrot.
God.
Put the carrot back in the fridge. I didn't see you can
Oh my good God. Do you know what knives do? Do you know? They cut.
Yeah, and put my knives back. It's in a knife holder, you friggin' idiot.
You're right. Alright, just so you know, this next step,
Nope.
I'm getting rid of this table. It's a triple
No,
hazard.
you are not.
Okay, so give me that. That's fine. We'll get back to this later. Rook, let's go upstairs.
No, you have to leave my house, okay? Okay, stop. What are you doing?
Hey, Holmes, I'm doing my job. God.
Okay, stop whatever you're doing. I didn't give you any right to do anything.
Quick question for you. What exactly are
Okay,
these?
well, don't hit it with the hammer. They're fire alarms. Just be careful.
Alright, well, fire alarms, eh? Alright. So that's actually a good spot for them because smoke goes down below the ground. Everyone knows that.
But
And,
it's not,
what are these up here?
they're not installed yet. I was gonna do it today.
Well, it looks fine to me. This is actually the first good thing in this house. These are incredible little
what-
doohickeys.
What did? Where did your friend?
Oh, this is
friend go?
fantastic. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look
where
at
did your
that.
friend?
Hey,
go?
Rook, what you doing?
Just testing the shitter.
Oh, my
fantastic.
God!
Fantastic.
Dude, can you
See,
ask?
I trained him well.
No, you didn't train anyone at all. This whole corporation is terrible. I don't even know where you're
I
from.
don't think it's working, Holmes.
Oh, God. I can smell it already. Oh, my God. All right, what's the next step, Rook?
I'm gonna go fuck up the bathroom.
No, I don't think so.
Got a couple questions for you.
No, he's breaking my bathroom.
That's completely all right. All right, so about those questions. How old is this place?
I don't know, 10, 15 years old, maybe? Can I have to get to my bathroom?
Let's just check that out, all right?
Oh, Jesus! Ah, my
Just
leg.
a second,
Wait,
please.
wait,
Please, just...
wait, no, stop!
Just a second, please. Just sit.
Ah, my legs!
Just think.
Broke 'em.
Okay, just a second, please. Just
What?
Think about this for a second.
What? Think about what? That you broke my legs?
I need this job.
Yeah, stupid?
And Rook just got out of prison
Yeah? Well,
Go
guess
back
what?
home.
Wait, what did he get out of prison for?
for doing this.
Ah!
I'm so sorry. I'm just
Help! Help!
Rook.
Ah!
I'm coming home.
Got a code big blue truck again.
No, don't touch me, don't touch me!
You need to calm down.
Just deal with it. Just deal with
You
it.
need to calm down.
No, what?
Hey Holmes, this is the wrong place. This is Mrs. Jones. We're next door.
We did it again.
But isn't he a tripping hazard?
You're right, Rook. We gotta move him to the bed. Maybe he'll forget about everything.
Let's go, Holmes.
Alright. Let's get him down.
I'll tuck him in, Holmes.
That's right, that's right. We're getting good at this. I think we're good. Alright.
Let's go, Holmes.
Hopefully he'll just think he slept in.
Oh, 2:30. It's a long time. Oh, horrible migraine.
My legs. My legs. My. Ah!